let us start the lecture on Cartesian coordinate system. What is it? Cartesian coordinate system. Cartesian coordinate system. We all are familiar with this coordinate system. From 9th class onwards, study this coordinate system. What type of coordinate system is this? In this coordinate system, we use x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. In case of plane, we use only x-axis and y-axis. If we think about 3D, then we take x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Just draw here. This one is x-axis, this one is y-axis, and this one z-axis. Okay, then I have a point here P. What is that point? Point is P, having coordinate x, y, z. Okay, having coordinate x, y, z. Then draw the position vector. Here, this is the position vector R. How can I write this? X I cap, yes or no, plus y j cap plus z k cap, yes or no. Just write down here. What is the position vector? R vector equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, yes or no. Then just see how we derive unit vector along x-axis, unit vector along y-axis, and unit vector along z-axis. Then just start. First one, a vector in the direction, in the increasing direction, of x. Which type of vector? The vector in the increasing direction of x, along x, or no? Dou r by dou x, partial differentiation with respect to x of the position vector r. If we have to find the vector in the increasing direction of x, then we have to partially differentiate position vector with respect to x. Then see what I get here. Dou r by dou x, equal to, dou r by dou x, dou by dou x of position vector r, x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap is the partial differentiation with respect to x. This term does not contain any x. If we partially differentiate this term, then this term becomes 0. Similarly, this term does not contain x. So this term becomes 0 if we partially differentiate this. Yes or no? Then what do we get? Dou r by dou x equal to differentiation of x, that is 1 I cap. Yes or no? Then magnitude. This is the vector. Magnitude is dou r by dou x. Magnitude. What is that? Equal to 1. Yes or no? Then we have to find out the unit vector along x. Then unit vector in the increasing direction of x. Okay, what is the unit vector along the increasing direction of x? That is I cap. Yes or no? I cap equal to dou r by dou x by magnitude of dou r by dou x. Yes or no? Then is dou r by dou x. This becomes 1. Yes or no? Dou r by dou x magnitude equal to 1. Here if you put 1, then what I get? I cap equal to dou r vector by dou x. I just write there. I cap equal to dou r vector by dou x. Okay. Then we have to find the unit vector along y axis. Similar process. A vector in the increasing direction of y. What is that? Dou r by dou y. Yes or no? Dou r by dou y. Then similar to first one. Dou r by dou y equal to dou by dou y of r vector, position vector, x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Okay. Partial differentiation with respect to y, then this term becomes 0. If we partial differentiate this term, then this term becomes 0 because this term does not contain y. This term also becomes 0 because this term does not contain y. This term present. Yes or no? That is dou r by dou y equal to dou by dou y of y, that is 1 into j cap. Yes or no? Then magnitude dou r by dou y magnitude, that is 1. Yes or no? Then unit vector. This one is the vector along increasing direction of y. Then unit vector in the increasing direction of y is j cap. Yes or no? J cap equal to dou r by dou y by magnitude of dou r by dou y. Yes or no? That is magnitude is 1. Yes or no? Then dou r by, if we have to find the unit vector along the direction of y axis, then we have to differentiate position vector with respect to y. I just write there j cap equal to dou r by dou y. Similarly, we can derive that k cap equal to dou r by dou z. Yes or no? Then we have to find the elementary vector. What is the elementary vector? Elementary vector is dx, dy, dz. For position vector, we can write dr small. That is elementary vector. What is the elementary vector? Then just see how you can get the elementary vector. First of all, we have to write the position vector r is a function of x, y and z. Yes or no? X, y, z. Position vector is a function of x, y, z. Then how can we write dr vector? We write dr vector as dou r by dou x into dx plus dou r by dou y into dy plus dou r by dou z into dz. Yes or no? Just here, what is this? Dou r by dou x is I, dou r by dou y is j cap, and dou r by dou z is k cap. Yes or no? Just write down dr vector equal to dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. Yes or no? This is the elementary vector. Elementary vector. Okay. Then we have to find the length element, area element, and volume element. First, length element. Element for length, dx, dy, and dz. Yes or no? Dx, dy, dz. Okay. Then second one, area element. Area element. Area element is, let's see how I write here. Area elements double. Here single is present. Here double. Dx, dy. Area is a vector quantity. Yes or no? Let's see. Which is present? X axis is present. Y axis is present. Absent. Z axis is absent. So here I have to put k cap. Second one, dy, dz. Y present, Z present, X absent. So here I cap. Then the third one, dz, dx. Z present, X present, Y absent, J cap. Yes or no? This one is the area element. Then third one, volume element. Volume element. Dx, dy, dz. This one is the length element, dx, dy, dz. Individual. Area element, double. Dx, dy, k cap, dy, dz, I cap, dz, dx, j cap. And the volume element is dx, dy, dz. Okay. The last one is metric element. What is a metric element? As like length element, volume element, area element, metric element. Metric element. What is this? What is the metric element? It is represented as H1, H2, H3. H1, H2, H3. What is H1? For Cartesian, H1, dou r by dou x. H2, dou r by dou y. H3, dou r by dou z. Dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y, dou r by dz. Yes or no? Only you have to write the magnitude. Magnitude. So, how I get here? For Cartesian coordinate, H1, H2, H3 is metric element is 1, 1, 1. We got the elementary vector dr vector. What we got? Dr vector equal to dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. Yes or no? This is the vector element. Finally, we have to discuss a very important thing, that is based on unit vectors. The unit vectors are here. The unit vectors are I cap and j cap and k cap. Then we discuss about first. We have discussed about the dot product. I vector dot I vector equal to j vector dot j vector equal to k vector dot k vector. What is the value? Dot product A dot B. A dot B dot product. A B cos theta. Yes or no? Here I cap dot I cap. Magnitude of I cap 1. Magnitude of I cap 1. Cos theta. Theta is the angle between A and B. Here theta is the angle between I and I. J and J and K and K. 0 degree. Here theta is 0 degree. So cos theta is cos 0 is 1. Then what do you get here? Answer is 1. Yes or no? Then second one. I cap dot j cap equal to j cap dot k cap equal to k cap dot I cap. Here the angle theta. Here theta is 0 degree cos theta 1. Here theta is 90 degree. X, Y and Z both axes are perpendicular to each other. Then I cap perpendicular to j cap perpendicular to k cap, and k cap perpendicular to I cap. Theta is 90. Theta 90 means cos 90 is 0. Yes or no? This becomes 0. This is the dot product. Then we have to make the cross product. You just see process for cross product. I cap, j cap, k cap. Okay. Clockwise direction. Okay. Clockwise. First we have to write I cap cross j cap. I cap cross j cap equal to what I get? K cap. Cross product. Then j cap cross k cap. J cap cross k cap equal to I cap. Third one, k cap cross I cap. K cap cross I cap equal to j cap. Yes or no? Then this is the clockwise direction. If we take anti-clockwise direction, you know what happen? First take j cap cross I cap. J cap cross I cap minus k cap. Second one, here is j cap cross k cap, so we have to take k cap cross j cap. K cap cross j cap equal to minus I cap. Yes or no? Then third one, here you take k cap cross I cap. Then here you have to take I cap cross k cap. I cap cross k cap. Anti-clockwise direction. What do you get? Minus j cap. Yes or no? This is the cross product of unit vector in Cartesian coordinate system. Yes or no?